What's up YouTube, it's Junior here, and today I'm going to show you how to spend $100 on Amazon. That's right, 100 bucks. Not on one item, but on multiple items. Like total $100 together. Multiple items. So here we go. First up we have, what does everybody need? What is the essential that everybody needs? Some Bluetooth headphones. So now of course all this will be linked down in the description below. If you see something you like, you want to pick it up for yourself, hit that link in the description. It helps out my channel a lot. I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. So here we go. Headphones. Bluetooth headphones. I think these were $15. So let's open these up. Check them out. These are called the IJOY LOG Premium Wireless Headset in the stealth colorway. You know what I'm saying? Is that backwards? Yeah, that's right. Stealth. So let's check these out, see if they're good or not. So here we go, here's the packaging. So far everything looks good. You got your aux cord and your micro USB charging cable. Okay, so far they look nice. Here they are. Check them out, check them out. Dope, right? Dope. They got the controls on the side. You can see they have the controls. Let's put them on. Okay, well, they are not over-ear headphones at all. They say they're over-ear, but they're not over-ear. I'll tell you that much. They're not over-ear headphones. They are most definitely not over-ear headphones. Dang, okay, so for $15, thumbs up, bro. Thumbs up all day long. 15 bucks. Wow, yeah. Let's see if y'all get it. Right here. For $15, definitely thumbs up. 15 bucks, there you go. So that's the first item. First item right there, first item. Next up, we have, you know, say you don't want to listen to music, right? You're like, I don't want to listen to music, you know, I want to play some games. Well, boom, we have the Retro FC, as you can see, right there. So here it is, boom. It kind of looks like a, well, you can't even see. It kind of looks like a Game Boy, old Game Boy Color. Which you don't actually have one. Let me go get it real fast. Okay, so here we go. I got a Game Boy Pocket. This is a Game Boy Pocket right here. So, and this is the Retro FC. I keep forgetting what it's called. But, yeah, it looks identical to a Game Boy Pocket. See that? But this comes preloaded with over 168 games, and the battery's rechargeable. So let's go ahead and power this on. So let's see up top. So you got your buttons, normal, start, yes, there, the good stuff. Right here in the back, your battery in the back. You got your on-off switch up here. I'm guessing it's on-off switch. Bruh. I'm gonna switch this camera angle around, and we're gonna check this out. Okay, so here it is. Check it out. We got Super Mario Brothers. So we got Super Mario Bros. 2, Super Mario Bros. 3, Super Mario World. Super Mario 14, Super Mario Bros. 6. I'm pretty sure these are all the same. Dr. Mario. Let's try the Super Mario Bros. How do you start it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. That screen doesn't look that bad. Okay, so that's jump. Okay, that's also jump. That's mini jump. That's big jump. How do you run? Okay, that's run, okay. Okay. This is actually kind of cool. This was, I believe, $22. $20, I think. So, for 20 bucks, not bad at all. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. For 20 bucks, yeah, definitely worth it, $20. Little game to go with the headphones. Now next, say you run out of battery, how are you gonna charge it? You need to charge these, right? You need to charge them, you got no battery left, you know, you need to charge it. Boom, power bank. By Anchor, the only power banks I use. This is not a sponsor at all. I wish they would sponsor me, but yeah, I do. I got like 5 of these things. Anchor, power brick. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour power brick. Dang, this is little. Bro, check this out, bro. 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. You need to charge your devices, charge your phone, charge your tablet. The battery's dead, obviously, with one little light bar right there. So you got your power bank to charge your headphones and to charge your new game device. Retro FC is called. I guess I gotta keep looking at it because it's retro. Okay, Retro FC, retro gaming device. You can call it FC. But yeah, so now what you're gonna do is you don't have to carry all these wires around with you to charge these devices, right? So what are you gonna do? Boom, that's where this comes in. Bam! This is the Jastek cable. You get like 7 cables in one. You can charge all your devices with this one cable. This is the only cable you need to carry around. Boom, look at that. You get all these cables. All these cables, you got a micro USB, lightning cable, mini USB, USB type C, and another micro USB. So, you know what you could do? You could be like, boom, plug this into here. Then you take your headphones here, right? Where's the charging at? Right here? Oh, I forgot to turn this off. Right here, you plug this into here, just like this. Wrong way, my bad. Boom. Now you're charging this. And then if you want to, come over here, boom, this is a mini USB. You take your mini USB, boom. Now just like that. You're charging both devices at the same time. This right here, this cable right here is a must-have for anybody. Like, definitely, this is a must-have for you. This is like $7, I think. Oh, I forgot to mention. This is the most expensive thing out of the bunch. I think this is 30 bucks for this one here, but definitely worth it. You need this, and you definitely need this. This is a must-have. They got a little hook right here. I have one of the older models of this where it doesn't have the hook, but it has like a little hook right there, so you can clip onto your backpack or something like that. And speaking of backpacks, how are you gonna carry all this around with you? You got your headphones, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. How are you gonna carry it all around with you? Well, boom, that's where this comes in. This is a backpack. I forgot what it's called. My bad. Let me see. It's I forgot what it's called. I forgot what kind of backpack it is. But now keep in mind, all this was $100 total. I think it was like 103. I'm not for sure. It might have been like 103, 105. I'm not for sure. But like I said, keep in mind, 100 bucks gets you all this here. So here it is. And I gotta say, in my opinion, it looks nice. So this flips over like this. Boom. And it says HFSX since 2016. Original design. So these here with magnets like that. And there you go. There's your backpack. So, you know, you can put your stuff in here. A cool feature about this backpack is don't take your portable charger and throw it in there. What you want to do is this. You want to open this up, right? If I can find the zipper. Open this up like so. And now, right up here, see this right here? Look, see this right there? You can charge your device with this. Take your portable charger, you plug it up to here. There's a wire built into it. You plug it up to that wire built into it, and then you just stick it in the pouch right here. You know, put it in the pouch right here, and boom, just like that. Now, if you need to charge your devices, you take your wire. Where I put that? But you take this here, plug it up like that, and boom. Now you can charge your devices without ever having to open your backpack or take out your portable charger. Isn't that awesome? That's freaking sweet. So now, you know, take your game system. There's pouches inside of here. You know, you can be like, there's like little storage pouches right here. Take your game system, throw it in there. Take your headphones, throw them in here. You know, take your charger, throw it in here. There's another little pouch right here that you can, you know, put whatever you want to in there. You know, say you don't want to put your headphones in, you can put your headphones in here. Fold them up like this, boom. Throw them in there. Zip up your pouch. You know, take your phone, throw it in here. It has a spot for a laptop right here. Boom, put your laptop in there. Zip it all up, close it up. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Bruh, it's that simple. Look, let's put this thing on. We're gonna have to adjust these thingy majiggers. Boom. As simple as this. Check it out. Check it out. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Now I'm ready. Y'all see I'm falling down? I'm falling down. Ready to go to school now? I'm ready to go to school. But yeah, this is a nice looking backpack. Nice looking backpack. This was, I believe, $23 for this backpack. $23. That's right. $23. So, to recap, backpack, $23. Every charger you will ever need, right here. Every charging cable you will ever need, right here, $7. Now, link to everything will be in the description below. Bluetooth headphones that are amazing for the price, $15. That's right, 15 bucks. Bluetooth. They look stylish too. They look clean too. Look at that. $15. Open this up here. Entertainment. I forgot how much this was. $20. Little game system. 168 games in one. $20. To charge everything, portable charger, Anchor, best charger in the world. Best portable charger, Anchor, $30. And that's everything. And then the backpack was also $20, $23 I think. All this, $100. Definitely worth it. If you want to see, if you want to pick up anything for yourself, link to all this will be in the description below, so you can pick something up for yourself. That's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. If you see anything you want, link will be in the description below. Don't forget to use that link. It helps out my channel a lot. Appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.